garlic right here. All right. 2 cloves of garlic. And just cut it up, pour some water on it, and drink it in the morning, first thing in the morning, or before you go to bed at night. Let's try this one. Wow, I tell you, man, this is just something totally different and is amazing. You see when you drink this, you just feel different, honestly. All right, but I like to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. The garlic tea, all right, that's the best time I like to drink it, in the morning on an empty stomach. But I'm doing the video to show you guys what you can do from tonight and soak your garlic and then drink it in the morning. A good vibes. That is fantastic and an amazing. With just a slice of a lemon on top of it.